Where is he? Nope. Oh, he's fixing the car. He's fixing the trash man's car. It must have been broken, so he's fixing it. Oh, you gonna fix it now?
Man.
Trash man.
What? Elf. Elf. Help me.
Oh, you want the elf to help you?
Help me.
Oh, okay. Hey, Bash. Where is he? Why don't you come look in here? Come look in here. Look, right here. Did you see him?
Yeah.
Is he cooking? I think he's thinking maybe we should make some banana bread later. Do you want to make banana bread later? Banana bread later, would that be fun? You want to get on the counter? Okay, we'll get up there and take a picture. 1 second. Go find your elf. Where is he? Yeah, but where's your elf? Do you see him? I do. Come look over here. He's making snow angels in the sprinkles. Is that fun? Oh, you feeding it to him? He's making snow angels. Maybe one day in your lifetime we'll get to see snow.
No.
Yeah. A white sprinkle. Alright, let's get your picture. What's he doing? Is he practicing his rapping? He's wrapped himself up like a present. Oh, now you're gonna cut? Silly boy. Look at Blizzard. He's not night-night. He wrapped himself up like a present.
Help.
Oh, you want to take him out? Okay, hold on. Let's get our picture, then we can take him out. Hold on. Look on your tray. Oh, pancake! Did Blizzard make you breakfast?
You want to get up there?
Do you think Blizzard came with you? Do you want to go find him? You want to go find him? Let's go look for him. Come this way. Come this way. Let's go see if we can find him. He might be in Gigi's room. We might have to go look in Gigi's room. Go that way.
Elf.
Did you find him?
Book.
Elf is reading a book, isn't he? Is that silly?
What did Blizzard do?
Is he reading stories?
He got the animals out of the bin and started reading to them. How about that? That crazy Blizzard, I don't tell you. What to do with him.
Alright, come find him. Where is he? Where is he? No, that's not where Blizzard is. Go find Blizzard. Nope.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
Here.
What did he do?
He's not in your chair. Can you find him? I think Gigi found him. Can you find him?
Word? Here, let's turn the lights on. You need to see him. Do you see him now?
Bashy, look on the table in your Santa
On the
box.
table. Look at your ho-ho box. Look at your ho-ho box. Oh, what is he doing? Oh my word, he ate your cookie. Oh no, Blizzard, you
You're on film.
silly boy.
Did Blizzard eat your cookie?
He ate your cookie.
He's feeding it to him.
Oh, are you sharing with him the rest since he's already taken it?
That's so sweet. Are we going to eat that? Yummy.
Right here.
Do you see him anywhere?
Right here.
Look up there.
Look up. Do you see him anywhere?
Look up on the top. He's distracted.
Oh, here.
Do you see him? Do you need Daddy to lift you so you can see him? He said, no, I found Mr. Potato Head. I'm good.
Hold on.
One.
We'll get this out in a second.
Look, you gotta find Blizzard.
No.
Where is he?
What's he riding?
Is he riding a reindeer?
Is he riding a reindeer?
Up and down.
Up and down. All right, you can come. Where's Blizzard? Where is he? Did he bring you presents? What's your note say? Sebastian, I had so much fun with you this year. Keep being a good boy and I will be back next year. Merry Christmas, Blizzard. Hey, what's in your box? What do you see in there? Look in it. Look in the box. What's in there? What's in it?
Top.
Yeah, there is chocolate, but do you see your slippers? Look, he brought you slippers. They're baby shark slippers. Do you see them? Right there.
Baby yard.
Look,
Yeah.
and we can put them on your toes.
Yard.
Baby shark shoes.
M&M.
Okay, we'll open your M&Ms in a minute. What else is in there? Do you see your books?
Apple.
What books did he bring you? Did he bring you some apple juice? Hey, Mommy will open that in a minute. What else is in there? What else is in there? More chocolate. Do you see your books? Look at your books at the back of the box. Look. Look. What books did you get?
Book.
A what?
Book.
Yeah, look. You got The Night Before Christmas. You got a reindeer book. You got a Rudolph book. And you got a tractor book. He knows you so well. And you got popcorn, so we can make popcorn and watch a movie tonight. To get ready for Santa. Does Santa come tonight? Is Santa gonna bring you lots of presents? Lots of presents? And then he's gonna take Blizzard back to the North Pole until next year. Yeah, but is that gonna be so fun to see what Santa brings? Yeah.
Book back.
Oh, you're gonna put the books back? Okay.
Book. Game.
Clean up. You're so sweet.
Go.
Hey, can you say thank you, Blizzard?